Boys and girls, today is a big day. It's a special day. Got a present today, and it is one of the best toolkits I have ever seen in my life. I've seen these things online on TikTok and other platforms, and it's just a thing of beauty, but this will be the first time I actually get to touch one of these. Now, I have to do a little bit of a disclaimer. I did not pay for this. It was a gift, right? So that's why I'm very excited, very giddy about this. This is probably one of the first big item toys that I haven't done any major research on it, so I don't really know what to expect. It's a toolkit done by Wera, which is apparently one of the premium socket ratchets brands out there. I think they're made in Germany. Actually, let's see if it says, yeah, Wera something GmbH Germany, Wera.de. So, surprise, it's not something that came out of China. So let's get into it. I am really excited to see what's in here. There's a QR code here, probably for some instructions. So it's gonna have a half-inch ratchet with a speed feature. It's a flex head, but it's not the snap-on type of flex head. It's the round one. 5 degrees probably between clicks. We'll see how many teeth that means. If it's more than 72 teeth, I will be very happy, but 5 degrees in my mind means thereabouts. So locking ball on the drive square. This is showing you how to. It's ultra compact. Well, we can tell by the looks of it. So you have to flip the dial to switch directions, and it says "Take it easy, tool finder." All right, so take it easy while you find your tool. All right. Oh my God, it looks so beautiful. It is absolutely gorgeous. Let's get this out of the box. We got some sort of warranty card, manual, whatever. And it says on the bottom of the box, "Enjoy, you are a tool rebel." All right. They called me a tool, but oh my God, that Velcro is... oh man. Oh man, this is beautiful. All right, so we've got, let me put it this way actually. We've got half-inch sockets, so you twist and pick up. Half-inch sockets, they look really quality. From what I've seen online, these are not chrome vanadium. These, I don't know if these ones are, but I've seen some information about the Wera products to be titanium. There is no marking on it. I don't know if you can pick this up, but it says 8790 HMC non-impact. So we're gonna not put them in the impact gun. All right, let's get the Big Daddy out. Come on. All right, so the non-slip handle actually works. This sleeve is rotating for some reason. It says Wera on it. All right, so basically you pull this down and then the head is going to move. Okay, and now, oh yeah. Sure feels like a 70 tooth. All right, you know what? Let's just take a break. And compare it to one of my favorite half-inch sockets. This is a Draper Expert Extendomatic, and it also has a flex head. This is the snap-on style flex head. Yeah, this for sure is a 72 tooth, and this one it's more or less the same. Okay, let's just put this one here. Okay, and now you flip the dial and it goes the other way. All right, okay. And then if we push this thing up, does something? No, it doesn't. Okay. So basically, if you have it in this position and you have the socket in, you cannot access that button to release the ball. You just press on this and the ball drops. There you go. You see, German quality, bro. They think of everything. These Germans. Does it? Yeah, it does. It does click in this position. Let's see how it. Yeah, you can do it. You can do it. Okay, so. You can do it both ways. No, it's locked. So basically you cannot use this button to release the socket when it's in the 90-degree position. You're gonna have to do it old school style. You can only, because basically there's another thing that presses on the button. I don't know if you can catch that. Okay. So how many positions? So it's got basically 2 positions. This is, come on, does it click? So this is perfectly square, and then there's another one. So if you want to bring it from straight position to like a, let's say a 45 would be this, you cannot click it in this way. Of course my dog is gonna bark right now. There you go, it works. And then this is full 90. All right, it does have a little bit of an offset, not much, but you know, maybe. Yeah, so it doesn't ratchet. Yeah, it doesn't ratchet because probably the locking mechanism is going to catch on these teeth. So basically, if you wanted to ratchet in an awkward position somewhere like this, you're gonna, you see, it does. Yeah, now it does in this position, but not like this. So you're gonna have to keep pulling on this. Yeah. So basically, there's a certain angle in which the locking pin is going to touch this, let's call it the direction wheel, and it's not going to allow it to swivel. Yeah, but I dig it. I really dig it. All right, so ratchet is out of the way. We've got a, what is this? This is an adapter from standard 1/2 inch to wobble 1/2 inch, and it wobbles a lot. Like a proper lot. You know what? Let's do another comparison. Okay, so I just grabbed, this was the quickest thing I could find. This is a 3/8. Again, it's from Draper Expert, so it's not, Chinesium. And this one has a wobble. So you see, it doesn't wobble as much as the Wera does. It feels, I don't know if it shows on camera well enough, but it feels like a lot more wobble, a lot. Good thing about these is for Draper. This is not a comparison by any means, but the Draper tools, all of the wobble fittings, if you click it one more time, it becomes fixed. So let's say you are in an awkward situation, in a weird position, and you need a wobble. You do open it up a little bit, but then it kind of starts slipping and you find the good angle and then you just click it in. Boom. Or the other way around. You have a good angle, you back out the bolt, and then you need a little bit of wobble, and there you go, you back it up completely. So this one, let's see. No, it doesn't do it. No, it pushes it back out. Yeah. Okay, so what else have we got in here? What is this? This is a bit driver. Let's put this back in. So this is a bit driver from 1/2 inch to regular bit. Is it regular bit? Yeah, I think it is. Yeah. So pull out. If you just jam it in, it's not going to go in. You're going to have to release the ring, and it goes in really nice. And it feels positive. It feels like it's not going anywhere. Yeah, really quality stuff. Obviously, this is going to go in there. Boom. And then you put in your T20. Boom. Just like that. Do the job. Which way was it? This way. Boom. And then you do it this way. Yeah, really, really, really good sounding. I'm really, really excited about this, as you guys can probably tell. Okay, so we've got wobble adapter, short wobble actually. This is a regular, but it's a long extension. Do you know what? I'm kind of digging these sleeves, because now I understand why they're here. Because imagine you so you do, let's say you're driving out a 10 millimeter bolt, right? So you do it this way, and basically, you see, this one slides in your hand, right? So you can drive it, but your hand stays put, you know. And it's a really good idea, really good, because you don't have to like fight I mean, yeah, your hand's gonna slide on metal anyway, but let's say you're wearing, I don't know, some kind of rubber gloves or whatever. This is just a well thought product. Like, I'm not advertising them or whatever. They didn't send this for free. I told you, someone from work bought it for me, but this is on a different level. Probably you can order these. Like each socket has a different, so let's say 8790 HMC. What's this? This is 8790 HMC. All right, so it's not a part code, but this one is different. 8794 LC. Who knows what the LC stands for? Doesn't really matter. Let's leave that there. All right, so what else have we got? We've got from 10 millimeters to 19. Now, there nothing is skipped, right? So we've got the 12, we've got the 14. Usually these two, and sometimes the 16 is skipped over, right? But this one is 10 to 19. The only, let's say, downside is that it's missing an 8. Let's say the 2021 for a pocket set like this, because in my opinion, this is a to-go set. So you have it somewhere on your motorcycle, on your bicycle, you're going out for a camping trip or whatever. You don't want to be stuck out in the wilderness with absolutely nothing on you. So you know what I would do? I would rearrange all of these. Let's see. They should fit, right? So I would drop the 18 and put an 8 millimeter in there. That would be the only thing I would do, because 8 millimeters is something you would need. Granted, 8 millimeters in half-inch drive is not a common thing, but still, 8 millimeters in Europe is important. I don't know about the United States. This obviously is a metric set, so it's built in Germany. It's made for Europe. Anyway, let's gloss over that. That's the only thing that kind of it doesn't make it 165% enthusiastic as I was at the beginning. It just drops like 5% out of the enthusiasm, but doesn't matter. 8 millimeters is a small socket. You can put it anywhere. What else have we got? We've got Torx bits from, this is a T20. And it goes all the way up to, I want to say this is a 50. Yes, it's a T50. And then we've got this big ol' Allen key, which is a weird, this could be the way it feels like. It's a 8 millimeter Allen key. Okay, what else? This is a regular straight Allen. Uh, Another Allen key. This is a 6.5, and a couple of. Is this one of those Japanese standard things? It could be. PZ3. No, it's not. Anyway, bits are bits. They are meant to be thrashed, but these are beautiful. These are great. So to wrap things up, I don't know the price of this kit. Again, it was a gift. I'm not gonna look it up. It's a beautiful socket set. It is absolutely beautiful. It will go somewhere on my motorcycle when I'm going on trips. I'm not going to carry this around every single day on my commute to work on my bike because, hey, I ride a Vulcan and it's reliable as a piece of dirt. So, it's never going to let me down, but it is going to give you peace of mind. Let's say you have a big GS, right? This is gonna weigh nothing. I don't even know what it weighs, but I'm telling you, it's pretty lightweight. It's not negligible. It's not like you're gonna put it in your cargo shorts, but still, it's something that will give you peace of mind to have on a bike. Ah, hold on a sec, and it's got Velcro. Oh, come on, this is like the gift that keeps on giving, I swear. And you can stick that on somewhere. Oh no, I got it dirty already from my workbench. Anyway, Wera, I think this is pronounced Zyklop. Anyway, and this is like a rubberized thing. I mean, you don't even see T-shirts with this kind of printing on them, man. This is on a different level. This is beautiful. This is quality. If this socket set was a watch, this would be a Rolex. If this socket set was a car, this would be a Rolls Royce. This is unbelievable. Anyway, if you ever get the chance to put it on your Christmas list or even buy it for yourself, just pull the trigger, man. This is on a different level. It's not going to be my day-to-day toolkit. It's too nice for that. I'm going to keep on using the Draper and abusing it because those last. They're more than, I assume, less than half price than what these are worth. But anyway, it's a beautiful set. Beautiful set. Anyway, thank you guys for watching. I hope you liked the video. Subscribe and probably share it with a couple of friends that you may have. I don't know. I don't have friends. Anyway, peace out. Take care.